Hi, it's Hard Reset and today I'll show you how to update Windows on ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So first, search for Update and click Check for Updates. Now, as you can see, there are some updates that I need to download. So I'll click download and install, and download and install. When all of this is ready, just click restart now your PC or restart it manually, and here click update and restart. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.